I am so excited. It is not the Glam Plus that I keep hearing about. This is just the regular tote bag. $10 a month. And I heard the Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, so just $15 added on. I've heard great reviews. I've had so many women in my family actually have been subscribed to Ipsy for a very long time. So if you're wondering how to go along and getting Ipsy bag, like just at $10 monthly, I can't remember if it includes in shipping or not, but I'll leave a link in the description below. So we're gonna get on with this. Okay, so this is like a one of those pyramid studs. You know, shaped like a little spike pyramids. Pretty spiky. So it has a gold chain, zipper, has the Ipsy logo right there. Well, let's open it up and see. Okay, I'm starting to see something cool here. Okay, so I've heard that they send you for like travel size. You know, you get from Walmart, you know, those little good travel sizes. And then there's like a medium range, and maybe sometimes you might get an actual full product. But so far you get 5 products in each of these. Okay, so this month is August 2019, and it says, "Bury yourself." So if you guys are curious and you want to know more about the Glam bags and sometimes products in it, you can also follow them on, let's see if you can see this. What is that? Instagram? I think that's the symbol. I can't think right now. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So we're gonna go in order. And number 1 is the, oh, this is cute, the EYEKO I Do Liquid Eyeliner Travel Size. Oh, okay. That's where I draw the line. Huh, they got jokes. It's waterproof, lash enhancing, and carbon black. That's awesome. Okay, so the next one. Okay, that's what it is. Oh, this is so cute. Look how tiny that thing is. The State Cosmetic Eye Shade in Pipe. A peach theme. Okay. It's cruelty free. Carbon free. Paraben? Paraben? Am I saying that correctly? Paraben? Paraben? And you just pop it open here. And it looks like that. Let me give you a little quick wash, swash. There we go, swash. Okay. Oh, it's so hard to tell. Not that bad. I don't know if you can see that. But it's like a golden bronze. That's how I would describe it. It looks orange, but it's kind of orange. Alright, next one is a APTO skincare balancing mask with tralala. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh gosh. Tralala. I'm green tea. I can't pronounce that. Balancing mask is basically what it is. It's a little cute. It's like a medium size, I think. No, it's just a little sample. Sample range, yeah. A staple. For the face, oil and combination skin types. So, you know. So if, you know, you had to show a little good example. That's what it is. The babes at APTO Skincare believe organic skincare doesn't have to break the bank. This mask with antioxidants packed. How in the heck do you say that word? Created for oily, acne-prone skin. Ooh, I have really horrible oily face. Acne-prone skin draws out dirt and impurities while reducing the appearance of pores, hydrating, and refreshing your complexion. That is kind of cool. It says apply a thin layer of the mask over clean, exfoliated skin and let it set for 10 minutes without letting it dry too much. To rinse off with lukewarm water and then dab off any traces with a wet cotton swab. Oh, why does it always have to be cotton? I hate cotton. I hate just like when you rub it between your fingers, it just like, yeah, no, I'm good. Ooh. Okay, so the next one is, it's a Cabana buttercream that's by the company of Sol de Janeiro. It's this little cute, little, what is that, a half egg looking thing? Of that. So yeah, it's kind of hard to read it, but So this is the Brazilian beauty brand makes confidence boosting products. This better than ever body cream is made with coconut oil, Capacua butter. It's not good when you can't pronounce any of their ingredients. And their signature cocoa sugar blend to deliver up to 72 hours of hydration. Hipsters will be the first to try this new improved formula. Ooh, it's new? Okay. I'm gonna give this a try right now. Just to see. Okay, look, there's a deal. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Seems like most of it is just right here, so let me scoop that up real fast. Come on. Okay, let me do this. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of cocoa butter. Oh goodness gracious. My nose is gonna be nice and cocoa-y. Okay, now I'm just gonna apply a little thin layer. Comes off really oily. I'm not really big on oily lotions. Ah, gosh. I don't think it's like, I don't know. It smells good, and maybe if I let it dry? Okay, so, oh wait. Oh, okay. It like soaked into my hand really fast. Feels like a little sticky consistency, but I like it. I might stick with that, maybe. I got to try it because it says to use it on damp skin. So like when you get out of the shower and you like pat yourself dry. Or if you're one of those people that don't use towels, you can just shake your body like a dog. And our last one is, okay, it looks like, let's see. It's a nail polish. I told you guys, if there was a nail polish in this Ipsy bag, I was definitely going to use this on my next video on Monday when I do my DIY nails. Awesome. Okay, so it's like I guess I was trying to like match this. It's like both green. This is like I forgot to say, this is like an army green color. My lighting probably doesn't do justice either. It makes it really too bright or too dark. But this is like military army green. So like any army wives out there or army sisters, cousins, anybody army related, these are the colors you want to go for. I showed you that in my last tutorial when I did my beauty. I went with the green to do a camouflage color. Okay, so this is by the Color Club Nail Polish and Artistry Crafty. Okay, really don't need to talk about nail polish. It's a forest green polish. Like this one, oh, why does I feel it oil? Oh, it's just my fingers. Forest green polishes like this one are so on trend right now. This one is surprisingly versatile, long lasting, and like all Color Club polishes, it is cruelty free. That is good. So I will be testing this one right now. In my last video, if you saw, I did like these little polka dots, lazy polka dot themes. And when I was in the shower, my polish got stuck on my hair somehow. Even though I trimmed it off. Anyways, it came off, so I figured I'd just clean it all up after instead of ripping. I wanted to make it look nice. So let's give this a try. Okay. Ooh. Really dark. You don't even have to double coat it or anything like that. Let me just put this up. The nail polish. Remember, I was trimming up the edges. Okay, so that's really green. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Let's shut this window up this. Okay, there we go. Look how green it is. It's like the same color. Alright, so I got my cover up on. I did a little powder contouring my skin, highlighting my accent points on my face. Hold on, I just want to see how it goes with the brush. Oh, we're gonna try to make this work here. I am so nervous. Oh, and it just like, oh, okay. So when you like just touch it, it starts like making it powder. So I'm just gonna knock some of it off because I don't want to be too much. And you just want to go above your increase of your fold. Just try to work it out. Because then I'm going to go back with one of my other ones and make it look like it's not so dang golden orange. I'm good. It's starting to feel like I'm gonna look like a damn Oompa Loompa. So we're gonna take the blending brush and we're just gonna blend it together on the edges, just so it doesn't look like I just pasted it on with the brush and called it good. I'm just gonna make it come out more. I'm gonna take like a nude color and top it. I place it on top to, you know, give it a more definition. I'm gonna go with a, make sure you get a small pencil that's like this and it's kind of scattered up top, how it peaks like that. That gives you a nice, oh, my light died. Oh no. I'm sorry about the light, guys. I had a perfect lighting and it just died. I gotta charge my light now. Just go with this peachy. It's just a peach color. Nothing fancy. So we're gonna knock off. See how much excess is coming off. Okay. And we're just gonna go in and lightly dab. So I have a collection here called Enchanted AP, which I actually need to really clean the case because it's kind of dirty. I'll do that off that video. But so we're gonna take this brown color. So we're just gonna dab the little one there, knocks off the excess, and then I kind of just pull just a tad, just to tighten up the area. And what I do, I close my eyes at first, start at the increase right here, push in, and then just gently glide it over. Don't hold your pencil this close because on paper, you just hold it at the end right here and just gently glide it over. And it helps define it a little bit better. So we're gonna do that with the other side. It goes on smoothly. Doesn't like push out too much. It gives you the right amount. Just not sure if I like it. Because I was never the person to like it on the eyelid like that. But I might like it. So that's the end of my video. I really hope you guys liked this video and everything. So if you guys haven't got onto Ipsy yet, make sure you follow the link that I have in my description below and go check them out, because honestly, you do get like really expensive items, which I'm gonna put in the description below how much these items will go for on a regular size, and I'll put the price tag with them, with their companies and their links, and just in case you guys just don't want to sign up through Ipsy and then you just, you know, just want to purchase a product that's not that bad. But yeah, if you got your August Ipsy bag exactly like this, tell me what you got on it, if it's completely different from what I got. Tell me how you like it, like rate it from 1 being like the worst bag ever and 5 being like, oh, I'm excited, I can't wait, I want to have my next one right away, because I'm at a 5 right now and I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I really do. If not, that's okay. No hard feelings. Just give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that notification bell and continue to follow me.